The Justice Ministry says there will be a complete overhaul of the island's court system to position Jamaica as the best in the region, from new courts to a paperless system and a strong focus on mediation. This comes amid concerns about the state of the island's courts in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Kalisha Williams has that story.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck was making his contribution to the sectoral debate in Parliament on Wednesday. In addition to updating the country on the state of the island's courts since Hurricane Melissa, he made this announcement.
Over the next 2 to 3 years, I expect the country will have at least to start to build at least 8 new courts. 4 in Nara, 1 in St. Thomas, and maybe the PPP for Manchester, the Supreme Court, and St. Catherine. As we speak, Madam Speaker, work is underway to complete renovation and rehabilitation works at the Hanover Family Court, the Supreme Court, the Kingston and St. Andrew Traffic Court at Sabina Park, and the St. Elizabeth Parish Court in Santa Cruz.
But headlines like these have had the government on its toes since the hurricane, as people bemoan the poor state of courthouses out west in Melissa's aftermath. The Westmoreland Parish Court, for instance, has been out of operation since the storm.
And Madam Speaker, we had to abandon that building in Westmoreland. Similarly, Madam Speaker, the utter devastation of the Black River Parish Court speaks for itself, after we spent almost $100 million on it. Madam Speaker, we are now undergoing a major transformation that will see the Jamaican courts one of the best in the Western Hemisphere.
For instance, Mr. Chuck said the courts are one step closer to becoming paperless. It follows the Memorandum of Understanding signed between the Jamaican government and the government of Rwanda in December 2025.
And we'll be here again shortly. The program has started, and within 2 to 3 years, the courts will be totally transformed. Madam Speaker, I invite all Jamaicans to visualize a scenario within the next 2 to 3 years, when all our justice stakeholders will be electronically interconnected.
And to reduce operational challenges in the courts, a stronger focus on mediation, leading Mr. Chuck to make this appeal to attorneys.
I would prefer to spend more money on mediation than to pay lawyers to get into an adversarial contention. I want more lawyers to become mediators and to participate in mediation. In Singapore, the vast majority of attorneys earn more money on mediation than on doing cases in court.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.